Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find the IP address of your Salesforce org. This is particularly useful when you need to whitelist your org's IP for security purposes or troubleshoot connection issues with external services. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on the gear icon. This is your setup menu, and it's where you'll access all the administrative controls for your org. Clicking this will open up the configuration options you need to get started. Once you're in setup, locate the quick find search box on the left side of the screen, type in remote site settings, and select it from the results. Remote site settings is where you'll configure external sites that your Salesforce org is allowed to communicate with, which is essential for this process. Now click on New Remote Site to create a new entry. This will open a form where you'll need to enter some specific details. In the remote site name field, type Find IP address. This is just a label to help you identify this configuration later. Next, move to the remote site URL field and enter https://api.ipapi.org. This is the external service we'll use to retrieve your org's IP address. Make sure you check the active checkbox to enable this remote site, then click Save to store your settings. Your changes will be processed and saved to your org's configuration. With the remote site configured, it's time to execute some code. Click the gear icon again, and this time select Developer Console from the menu. The Developer Console is a powerful tool that lets you run code directly within Salesforce. Once the Developer Console opens, press Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on Mac. This keyboard shortcut will open the Execute Anonymous window, which is where you'll run the code to fetch your IP address. Copy and paste the code that's provided for this process into the Execute Anonymous window. Once the code is in place, click Execute to run it. Salesforce will process this code and generate a log entry with the results you need. After execution, look at the bottom panel of the Developer Console. You'll see a list of log entries. Double-click on the latest log entry to open its full details. This is where Salesforce records all the output from the code you just ran. To make it easier to find what you're looking for, click the Debug Only checkbox. This filters the log to show only debug statements, removing all the system noise that can clutter the view. Now scroll through the filtered log until you find the line that says US_debug pipe open bracket line, close bracket pipe IP address : followed by your actual IP address. This is your Salesforce org's outbound IP address. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved the IP address of your Salesforce org using the Developer Console and an external API service. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.